Hi guys, this is TJ. Today I'm gonna explain how I do option selling with less capital. You can do option selling with less capital using the margin trading margin benefits. Earlier, if you remember, we were getting leverages of 1x, 10x, and all. So now things are changed. The SIB has came up with this rule of no leverage, so we will get only 1x leverage from September. So to to overcome this, what we option sell this is for new traders out there. Experienced option sellers will be already knowing this strategy. So this one, for example, now the Bank Nifty is trading around 35,600. Okay, so if you want to sell at the money call option, uh, 35,600, for example, if you want to go ahead and sell this one, you need the margin of 1.23 lakhs. So uh, which is pretty expensive. So all the new traders out there will not sell options thinking this needs a big amount of money, and they go ahead and buy the options, and they will lose money by buying options. So what you can do is you can go ahead and buy far out of the money call option. So for example, to sell to short this 35,600 call, you can go ahead and buy 37,600 call, which was 2,000 points away from this particular call. So if you add this one, you can see the margin is reduced to mere 46,000. So in this way, you can uh, do option selling. So this is one example. Um, if you want to reduce even more, you can add one more lot. So if you add one more lot, for example, I'm increasing this one to two lots. So it got reduced. You see. So this is how you can do naked selling. So if you want to do straddle selling, uh, let's see how much margin we need. So for selling one lot of straddle, we need a 1.35 lakhs. uh, so the same thing you can do. You can go ahead and buy a 37 600 call for this. Okay, and you can go ahead and buy 33,000 put. Okay, which is trading around 2 rupees. So you see the margin is reduced to 71k, which is pretty less, which is almost half of the required margin earlier. So if you want to reduce more, you can add more buys. So in Zerodha, this is how in Zerodha, for selling naked options, sorry, for buying far out of the money uh, options, it will not allow. So what you have to do is first you need to sell 35,600 call, then you need to go and buy 37,600 call, so then it will be allowed. So or you can we have this basket order concept, and you can just execute this basket order, so it will get executed without any issues. Yeah, so this is how you can do option selling with less capital. So I will show my example what I did today. So if you see, today I have booked a loss of 15k. uh, so in the morning, I was doing selling naked options, and so what I did, if you can see here, I had bought 38,000 far out of the money call option, which was trading around 2.5. So then I sold two straddles, one straddle and one strangle, if you see here. So I was not after that I was not having margin to sell this particular put. So what I did, I went and sold 33,000 put. Sorry, I went and bought a 33,000 put, which was trading around 4.96. Still, I was not having money to sell. So what I did is bought again 33,000 put. So in this way I was able to short the put. So like this, you based on the situation, you can do daily. I will not buy the options because we need to pay some price, right? So for example, uh, if you see here, this particular 33,000 put, which I bought at 4.95. So if you see now it is trading around 2.25. So you have almost lost 2 rupees, 2 2 rupees. So almost 200 rupees loss in this. Okay. So and if you want to see a 38,000 call, morning when I sold it, it was around 2.5 rupees. Now it is trading around 1.4. So I booked almost 200 rupees loss in this. So when you are doing option selling with less money, this losses matter. So don't go and buy these options every day. Whenever you need whenever you want to do one more strategy, you are pretty confident, you go ahead and buy, and you can do option selling, and don't this will be very useful in expiry day. We can buy any, we can use this as an leverage, but don't take too much leverage. Just for adding one or two strategies, you can use this leverage, because the leverage is very dangerous, and that's why SEBI is removing leverage. Yeah, but for experienced traders, this is very good. Like we can use this, and we can reduce our margin. Okay, so